Good morning. Today is Thursday, July 19, 2012. Here I give a wrap-up of the commentary for the day ahead in the commodities complex. The last couple of days the markets have been extremely subdued, especially bullions and copper, where no momentum has been seen on either side and hence opportunities for trades have been limited. Last evening the Fed meet got over. No major announcements or expected commentaries have taken place. The next Fed meet is on July 31st and August 1st, subsequent to that in September. The housing stats which came out yesterday from the US were quite positive and hit 4-year highs, and hence there is optimism in the markets as is reflected in the Dow closing about 0.80% higher yesterday, as also the Asian indices have closed higher today. The markets have not ruled out any further impetus or in terms of stimulus by the Fed in the coming meetings, and that expectancy is expected to keep the markets going on for a while further. Gold is now trading at $1,576, trading in a very narrow range, albeit over the last couple of days with mild negative bias from the high 3 days back of $1,595 to $1,576 now. The expected trading range is expected to be $1,560 to $1,600 for a while now, and no major fluctuation or change is expected. On the MCX, it has been gradually declining over the last couple of days. It closed at around the 29,170-180 mark yesterday. Next positive momentum will come only on a break about 29,350. On the other hand, it looks mild weak to test the supports of 29,100 and up to 29,030. MCX silver is also trading highly range bound in the range of 52,500 to 52,900 for the past couple of days, and no breakouts are being seen. Closed at around the 52,680 mark. Next resistance is seen at 53,050, 53,350, and next positive momentum will be only on a break of above these levels. Downside support strong is seen at 52,500 and 52,250, which also has not been breached since yesterday, and hence very tight range is being traded in silver, and no fresh momentum is seen, and wait for fresh trades in silver. Of all the commodities, crude has been the most positive for the past few days, hovering around the $90 mark this morning, which is the pivot and resistance level. It has been gradually going up from the 47.50 levels over the past week. As we had given for the last couple of dates in our updates, a break above 4800 could test levels of 4850, 49, 4950 and 5000, likely to hit today the 5000 mark. Yesterday's high was 4974. Expected to open mildly positive, closer to the resistance as of now. Natural gas closed positive yesterday, and a close above 161 will have a stop loss of 157 for targets of 165, 168 and 170. It closed at the 164 mark high yesterday. Today is the natural gas inventory, so traders could watch out for this inventory for further moves in natural gas, albeit it's on a positive note. The crude inventory came out yesterday, also positive for the prices, as also the housing stats which came out from the US, both of which held back the commodities and did not slip further down. Copper traded in the last couple of days in a tight range, closed at around the 425 half mark. Next resistance is at 426.50 and 428. Support seems to be very strong at 422 now. Next further weakness if only on a break and a close below 422. Otherwise the resistances could be met, and a break above 428 could touch 430 to 434 as of now. Nickel, zinc, aluminum and lead have all been trading sideways with no clear breakouts, but they are holding on to those levels. Lead closed above 105 yesterday. Zinc is positive with a positional stop loss of 102.50. Aluminum is trading sideways, and nickel, so long as 885 is not broken on a closing basis, resistance is seen at 900, and a breakout above 900 could see further higher levels. US dollar index is trading a shade below 83, and watch out for INR. INR weakened yesterday and closed at around the 55.40 mark, so opening trades will be dependent on the INR moves, even as the commodities complex remain fairly subdued, and no breakouts in dollar terms have happened in the international markets as of this morning. For further updates and commentaries, please visit our website at www.akshayaship.com. Have a safe and profitable day ahead. Thank you.